Hi, this is Yaron from Menlo Coaching. One of the questions that I'm asked the most by prospective clients and clients is, what GMAT score should I target? I always tell them, half in jest, there's only one score to target, and that's 800. But I mean that also seriously, like, you should target 800 always. Now, you may not be able to get it, and that's something else. Whatever the case, your target score is the highest possible score you can get. And I always emphasize this. Why would you ever apply while leaving even 10 or 20 points on the table? Because you only apply and go to business school once. It's a degree that can be in many ways life-changing and salary-changing. So I always tell everybody, don't leave any points on the table. Now, everybody reaches a personal maximum at some point. So for one person, it may be 770, another person, it may be 690. And that's going to be based really on three things. One, your math skills. Two, your English skills. And three, very important, your test-taking skills. So now, it may be hard to have a self-evaluation of what is really my target maximum. And that can be a tricky thing. And if you don't know that, talk to a professional GMAT tutor, like the GMAT tutoring team at Menlo, because they should be able to have a look at things and evaluate what your true capacity and maximum potential is. But the point that's the most important is that you should be maximizing that potential before applying. And I've seen candidates who thought they've reached their maximum get a lot more, especially by focusing on test-taking tutoring. So keep in mind that there's almost a linear relationship between admissions and GMAT score, meaning the higher the score, the better your chances of getting in. And the same applies also for scholarship. The higher your score, the better chances you have for scholarship. Obviously, there are other considerations, employment, demographics, and so on and so forth. But just clean GMAT itself, apply with a high score always. And if you don't feel like you have your highest score, you may decide, hey, maybe I should apply in the next round or the next year even, because delaying a year might feel, oh, I really don't want to do that. But if you can pick up 40 more points on the GMAT and go to a far better school, why would you not?